Hello guys and welcome to today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and hit that notification icon. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to create professional 3D logos under 10 minutes. Let's go. Now to start this process, we're going to download an app called Canva. Canva is a graphic tool that enables you to create posters, banners, logos and all whatnot. So if you're looking to create graphic content, you need to download Canva. Now, just head over to your device app store, type in Canva, and then install. I already have this installed, so we're going to continue from that. Once you do that, you need to create an account with Canva, and after that, you just click the design icon, then click on logo. Once you've done that, you're going to have a clear canvas where you can design from scratch. But we're not going to do that here. We're going to use an already existing templates and just make some tweaks. Now to create a simple logo, I'm just going to take the initials from the two words we have here, which are M and W from the word main and the word works. Once you're done with your design, you can just hit the share button, then click on download. If you're using Canva Pro, you can leave that on transparent. If not, just download it anyway. I'm going to show you how to change normal images into transparent PNG. Once your download is done, for those who are not using Canva Pro, you can just simply go to remove the BG. There you can change your regular image into transparent background. Once you're there, just hit on the upload icon, select your file, click on OK, then your image will be transformed automatically. Once you have a transparent image, just click on the download icon. That's that. Now that we have successfully removed the background of our logo, we're going to change it into 3D. Just head over to your browser and type Photopea Mockups. Click on the first link you see there, then you'll be taken to a page where you can choose from different templates and make your design. Once you've successfully made a selection from the collection, I know that rhymes, just simply double click on the chosen template, then you'll be taken to the design interface. Now this is where the real work starts. To begin, simply double click on the first layer. You're going to see an eye icon there. Simply turn it off. That simply removes the previous logo. Then you're going to click on file. Once you do that, click on open in place. Select your own file or logo. Click on open, then place the file inside the canvas. You're sizing your logo inside the canvas, the next thing you need to do is to save this work as a smart object. So just click on file and click on save as smart object. And click on the previous file, then you'll see your work has been transformed into a 3D logo. After that, we're going to save this work inside our computer, so just hit on file, click on export, then choose your file format. Then click on save. Now we're going to go ahead and try this for other templates so we can see what we have. Let's try this one. Remember, double click on the template. Then you can move to the design interface where you can start your design. Double click on the first layer. Make sure you turn off the previous logo, then place your own logo. Save as smart object. Choose the previous file. Here you go. Now for the next design, we're going to try something different. Now let's say you have a template from another site, downloaded it from somewhere else. Just head over to Photopea, click on open from computer, select the file you downloaded previously from the other sites, click on open, and Photopea is going to automatically open that file and enable you edit the contents. So simply follow the previous steps and place your own icon or your own logo. So that's it, guys. This is how you create 3D logos under 10 minutes. Now, these were some of the designs we were able to make today. As you can see, it's not that difficult to actually create 3D logos professionally, that is. So if you have any other questions, just head over to the comment section and drop your questions there. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification icon. Thanks for watching, and see you in the flash.